Introducing the Honor X9c, a smartphone that redefines durability, power, and innovation. At first glance, you see a sleek, stylish, and lightweight device at just 189 grams with a slim 7.98mm design. In South Africa, we have two color options, titanium purple and jade cyan. There's more. The Honor X9c is built to last, featuring an anti-drop display with ultra-tempered glass, making it 166% more reliable against drops from up to 2 meters. And it's also water resistant. This device is powered by a 6600 mAh silicon carbon battery, delivering incredible longevity. With AI superpower saving mode, even at 2% battery life, you still get 58 minutes of talk time. And with 66 watts, Honor Supercharge, you're back up in no time. The 6.78-inch OLED display boasts a 1.5K resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, and peak HDR brightness of 4000 nits, which is perfect for work, those on the go, or entertainment. And for those who love taking pictures, the 108MP ultra-sensing camera with 3x lossless zoom and optic image stabilization ensures crisp, clear shots day or night. The Honor X9c blends power, intelligence, and efficiency, designed for high achievers who balance multiple tasks, outdoor enthusiasts who embrace adventure, and content creators who bring ideas to life. If you are looking for a phone that can handle anything life throws at it, the Honor X9c is your ultimate companion. Tough, reliable, and ready for any adventure.